Hello, welcome to Wheeler Detailers. My name is Martin. Do you also hate that bug splatter and insect splatter on the front of your car during summer? Then watch this video to the end and check out how this product works. This is the Dcon FBI, the fly, the bug and the insect remover. First, we're gonna spray it on a dirty surface and let it soak in for approximately 1 minute. I divided this front bumper in half, so with one part we're gonna do it with the FBI and in the other part we're only gonna do it with the pressure washer. So, first thing first, let's spray on the FBI cleaner. So the Dcon FBI is a lightly acid-based cleaner, and with that it dissolves bug splatter and insect splatter of bees and mosquitoes and wasps. I only do it now by my finger, and you can already see how easily it's losing it without any pressure at all, just gliding my finger over the surface. So 1 minute of curing time is done. Let's get the pressure washer. Always make sure you keep on 30 to 40 centimeters of distance between the nozzle and between the paint. We did one side with the FBI cleaner and we're going to compare with the other side with only the pressure washer to see if the FBI really does work better than without. Let's go. Just want to dry it up a little bit to see the difference between with and without, to have a good and factual comparison. I can still see some rests of insects here on the headlight. So also if I look here, these are some rests of a big one. It's actually all over the place here as well. But especially here, if you're gonna divide it here between my hands and go from top down, it's pretty much everywhere. So let's now compare these sections. On the left side of the car, I think it will be as good as clean. I think it's got some rest of stone chips here. But in general, I don't see any bug splatter anymore. Also the line here, there's a little something here left, but way less than it was on the other side. And if we compare, for example, also this section here, I think the difference is very, very clear. And also here. So now let's go back to the right side, as well as now cleaning them with the FBI. So spraying it on and letting it cure for circa 60 seconds. Let's wipe it dry. You can already see it's much better. As we see here, the headlight still has a couple of spots, but much less. Maybe if you're gonna give it another attempt that it will get less and less, but we also have a solution for that as well, which I'll show you in a minute. If you look here at this section, I would say it's as good as clean. So that's done without any agitation, no brushing, no scrubbing with a wash mitt or whatsoever. So if you've got, let's say, these nasty spots, like you have here, then we have, we call it the wheel wedge. It's like a small triangle shaped wash mitt, but it's got a mesh side on the front and some foamy cushion material in the middle and some microfiber here. So if you're gonna place your fingers here, you can use the microfiber side. Some normal washing, regular surfaces which are hard to reach. And with this case you can scrub with this mesh material. Let's give it a couple of scrubs. After use you just scrub it over your mid-slide in your bucket to clean it for the next time. But this really works wonders. So if you're like super picky and you want your car to be completely free of insect rests, Then next to the FBI, you might be interested in this small mesh wheel wedge. So now let's see if we can get this to work on the windshield as well. Spray on. And remember not to spray on a hot surface. On the left side of the windshield we didn't use the FBI, and let's come a little bit closer with the camera to spot some things that I see with only pressure washing. Like here, like here, like here, like here, here, here. And now let's go to the right side. First one here is the mirror cap. It's completely clean. There's nothing anymore on it, so that really did a big step. That really was a big help. And now let's see on the windshield. Just maybe glide with my hand to spot some. And here this is asphalt splatter, so this is no insect rests. So these are a lot of stone chips that I have in my windshield. But more or less I'm a lot on the autobahn and on the road. But on insect rests or rests of insect rests and bug splatter, I don't spot it. But if you do, let me know below in the comments. So, the Dcon FBI fly, bug and insect remover, the name says it all. We tested here in a 50-50 on the front bumper with and without, and the same we did on the windshield with and without, and the results are pretty much clear. Hope you like what you see. If you are picky and you want that last kind of rests of insect splatter to be off, then check out this small microfiber wheel wedge, especially the mesh side, to scrub away the last rests of any surface that you encounter on the front side of the car. So it's summertime, it's very important to have a good insect cleaner with you. Also, if you go on summer vacation by car and take a bottle with you, and once you're on site, check out an in-bay car wash or check out a do-it-yourself car wash station, so you can also drive clean when you're on holiday. If you're into clean cars, then click on the pop-up banner and check that video as well to learn some basic principles to make your washing process better and more efficient. See you in the next video. Bye bye.